Hi everybody, Russ here. It's a beautiful day today outside, but we're working inside and we're working on this Karndean floor, and this is the first time this floor has had a professional deep clean and seal. It's been down for a number of years. We've got about 53 square metres of this floor to clean and seal today, and we're going to be using our Eccentra machine to do this. And this machine is going to clean right up to the edges and get right into the corners. This is our heated extractor. This is going to rinse the floor with all the dirt and grime and everything. So it's quite an area to do. So we just have the utility room in there as well. The hallway. The floor isn't in bad condition, but it really does need a deep clean. So let's get started. The painter has been in, and unfortunately there are some splatters on the floor, so we've just pre-treated those areas there with a product to break down the paint. And right, let's get cleaning. Right, 3.5 hours later, this floor has now been deep cleaned, and it's dry and it's now ready for sealing. Right, that's it folks, all done. So, 2 coats of the Dr. Schutz Secure hard seal has gone down, and this is the conservatory. It's looking nice actually, I have to say. It's the floor really does look nice now. The Secure hard seal really has brought out those colours. And it's achieved like a sort of a somewhere between matte and satin finish, so it really does look classy. And you know what we say, we never make expensive floors look cheap. Quickest way to do that, the easiest way to do that, is just use a cheap sealer. There was quite a lot of wear in this area here, not dings and things, so we can't do nothing about that unfortunately, but around here into the utility room, there we go, that's all looking nice. So the floor at the moment is touch dry. I am wearing shoe protectors. We do supply our customers with shoe protectors, and we do advise them to wear for up to 48 hours whilst the sealant can cure. After 24 hours, it's fine to replace furniture and that. So there you go. Let's move around here. We also did a demonstration on how we clean stone. So as you see there, the stonework in the downstairs loo is looking a lot cleaner. If you look at the grout, it should be grey, but it's black there. So if you're interested in having your hard floors cleaned, let us know. Thanks for watching.